Hey YouTube, I've got a 2011 Ford Crown Vic. Got a squeaky noise coming out from the front end of the vehicle. Not too sure what it is, perhaps.
Yeah, when I close the door, when I get on and off the vehicle, when I go over bumps, cracks, potholes, all that other good stuff.
Let's get to it. There it is.